I welcome you all to this session on final accounts of banking company. Yeah. In the previous video, we had discussed about two problems in which you prepared profit loss account for the given items, maybe ledger balances and other adjustments. So now problem number 3, which are expected in 12 marks category, section B. So from the following information, prepare balance sheet. See, 1 and 2 problem to prepare profit loss statement or profit loss account. Now balance sheet of Vijaya Bank as on 31st March 2021. Vijaya Bank is now merged, right? Still can take theoretically. Authorized capital 8 lakh. You know that authorized capital are not supposed to take it while totaling. Then paid up capital is 1, which has to be considered under capital, the balance sheet. Bills payable is a liability, current accounts, and this is the just ledger balance, not the trial balance as such. And it is only to prepare profit loss account. Current account. What is that current account? Customers current account with bank, so it is a liability. Fixed deposit also liability. Profit for the year, so it means profit and loss account already prepared and profit is given. This is available for appropriation. I mean other okay. Then savings bank account, that is also liability to the bank. Customers some deposits with bank. Land and building asset, investments no doubt asset, furniture fixtures bank assets, acceptance endorsements for the customers. This is not they can be taken as a contingent liability. Both, you see, here acceptance, here liabilities. Bills discounted purchased 6,40,000. Well, advance. Money at call and short notice, it is asset. Loan advance, you see, it is asset. Advances, this is not to take 6 contingent liability. Then credit, cash credit is also one of the forms of lending, 430, and cash in hand and with the other banks 16 lakh. So adjustments, investments includes 8,000 shares of the face value of 100 each, on which 50 is paid up. It means you have to show this separately, that's all. Investment in shares and other investment. Then claims against bank acknowledged as a debt, amount is 8,000. So claims against bank, that has to be adjusted. Then statutory reserve is to be created to the extent of paid up capital. Capital paid up at 16 lakh. Here you have to create 16 lakh. In this sense, in reserves and surplus, you have to consider that. Profit for the year is arrived, that is there 6,40,000 before making adjustment for unexpected. So you have to deduct this 6,40,000 maybe, yes, minus 8,000. Bills discounted but not mature, there is a rebate on that. Means unexpected rebate has to be deducted, and balance sheet, you may be well versed with that because the formats are already given to you. First, liabilities, current assets, capital and liability. Capital, note number 1, reserves and surplus 2, deposits 3. Deposits, all forms of deposit, savings, demand, fixed, current account. Then borrowings, the liability, bank borrowing from other banks or from abroad or from Reserve Bank. Then other liabilities and provisions. Other liabilities and provisions that you have to find out. You see here, money at call and short notice. No, this one. Let's see later. Okay, and assets 1 to 5 schedule for or note. It is a schedule here. Schedules for schedule for liabilities. Now cash in hand and balance with the Reserve Bank. You see, it is more or less same, in hand or Reserve Bank, because Reserve Bank acts as a or settlement. Every bank's account will be the Reserve Bank, and it gives debit and credit for all transactions. And that amount with the bank, Reserve Bank equivalent to cash in hand. Then balance with the banks and other banks, and money at call and short notice. See, money and call and short notice within 2 hours, maturing within 2 days, and within that 2 day at any time it may be called by giving a serving a notice. Shorter period lending it is. So equivalent to the balance with other bank. Going to bank and bringing our adjustment and or asking them to pay immediately. Investments, schedule 8. Advances, all sort of advances, cash credit to loans, short term, long term, all these. Note 9, fixed assets 10 and other assets held by bank, and contingent liabilities note 12. This is all about regarding a balance sheet. First we shall look into the calculation of part of calculation of schedules. Schedule 1 capital. Now you may be confusing with the final account of companies and final account of banking companies. Now you take this, and while preparing for the exam, be careful that schedules differs. I mean numbers. So first authorized, just to show, issued, subscribed and called up and paid up. That the shares, number of shares is not given, simply it is 16 lakh. You see, paid up capital 16 lakh, very second item. 16 lakh is paid up capital. Then schedule 2, resource and surplus. There, statutory reserve. Nothing mentioned in the trial balance, and it is said that equivalent with the paid up capital 16 lakh. Then balance of profit, it is given there, say 6 lakh 40,000 minus 8,000 adjustment rebate. Yes, so 6,32,000, total 22,032. Schedule 3, deposits, all demand deposit, that's current accounts of customer with the bank, is a liability of the bank. Savings account, term deposit, that is fixed deposit, total. Then 78,40,000. Third one, borrowing is not there, so you need not prepare that schedule. No borrowings. Then other liabilities and provisions, their bills payable 8 lakh, others including provision, unexpired discount 8,000. Yeah, which is given in the adjustment. You see, you have taken see deposits, other liabilities, bills payable. Yeah, this is unexpired. Bills payable and unexpired discount is a liability. So whatever you deduct from profit. So 8 lakh 8,000. Then for assets, cash and balance with the Reserve Bank of India, cash in hand including foreign currency notes 16 lakh. So very last item 16 lakh. Then yeah, balance, that is cash balance with the banks and money at call short notice 8 lakh, it is only money at call and short notice. Then investment in India and abroad you have to show separately. Yeah, nothing. So shares 8,000 into 154,000, others 4 lakh, others 44. You see, total 44 lakh given there. Total investments 48 lakh, out of which 4 lakh investment in shares, 8,000 shares 100 but 55, 4 lakh, and other 44, total 48 lakh. Schedules 9, advances, bills purchased discounted 6 lakh 40,000 is given there. Cash credit, overdrafts and loans repayable on demand 4 lakh 80,000, term loan 12 lakh 80,000, total 24 lakh. Then fixed assets, premises, that's land and building given there. Assets, other assets, furniture and fixtures, so total 28 lakh 80,000. Then contingents Acceptance, endorsement and other obligation 3,20,000. This has to be shown after the balance sheet. So now just first you take the format, you are having the specimen, copy that, then calculate schedules and fill in. So capital 16 lakh, note number one, sorry, schedule 1. Reserves and surplus schedule 2, 32 lakh, sorry, 22 lakh 32,000. Deposits note 3, 78 lakh 40,000. Fourth, borrowings nil. Fifth, other liabilities and provisions 8 lakh 8,000. Bills payable and unexpired rebate that. And assets, cash and balance with the Reserve Bank schedule 6, 16 lakh. Balance with the other banks and money at call and short notice, in fact it is money at call and short notice, schedule 7, 8 lakh. Investments 8 lakh both in shares and other invest together 48 lakh. Advances note number 9, 24 lakh. Fixed assets note number 10, 28 lakh 80,000. Other assets nothing here. In other assets, you know that bank assets held by a bank which are given by the customer as a security for rising loan and locker and lockers, and few are there in the other assets that you can go through. Then after total, see total of the given balance sheet 1 crore 24 lakh 80,000. This contingent liability should be shown after the balance sheet. Here it is 3 lakh 20,000, that is customers endorsements and advances. So this is about the solution of this problem. This sort of problem can expect in 12 marks. Thank you.